The growth in the use of artificial intelligence in general and generative AI in particular means that the developers are increasingly required to create comprehensive AI solutions. These solutions need to combine machine learning models, AI services, prompt engineering solutions, and custom code. Microsoft Azure provides multiple services that you can use to create AI solutions, but until now, developers have needed to work with multiple tools and web portals in a single project. Azure AI Foundries bring together capabilities from Azure Machine Learning, Azure OpenAI Service, and other Azure AI services to provide a single, centralized workspace within which developers can collaborate with data scientists and others to build AI solutions. Some of the core components here are Azure OpenAI Service, which is a Microsoft cloud solution for deploying, customizing, and hosting language models. And then Azure Machine Learning, which is Microsoft's cloud solution for training and deploying machine learning models and managing machine learning operations. And lastly, Azure AI Services, which encompasses Microsoft's cloud solutions for creating cutting edge, market ready, and responsible applications with pre built and customizable APIs and models. Azure AI Foundry is a platform that brings together multiple Azure AI related services into a single unified development environment. Specifically, Azure AI Foundry combines model catalog and prompt flow development, capabilities of Azure machine learning services, and then generative AI model deployment, testing, and custom data integration, and lastly, integration with Azure AI services for speech, vision, language, document intelligence, and content safety. Some of the practical solutions and applications when it comes to the Azure AI Foundry are building with your own agent. Securely build, deploy, and scale enterprise grade agents that automate complex business tasks. Then chat with your data. Predict customer needs, accelerate time to resolutions, connect teams, and streamline service delivery. And third, analyze and summarize documents. Classify, extract, and gain deeper insights from document. Fourth, accelerate coding and documentations, which improve developer productivity with AI tools that help generate high quality code and efficiently test and debug softwares. And fifth, deliver personalized recommendations. Match and deliver content, products, and services using a deep understanding of customer needs, requirements, and preferences. And six, improve information discovery, where you can extract valuable insights from large volumes of data. And seventh, generate engaging content. Deliver personalized text and images at scale to improve customer satisfaction or retention. And then process transactions and detect fraud. Optimize process, automate tasks, and identify errors to drive issues into resolutions before they impact your business. And finally, improve forecasting, where you can improve decision making, discover new knowledge, and create competitive advantage by identifying patterns and making predictions. Some of the advanced capabilities when it comes to the Azure Foundry incorporate multiple models and data sources. Mix and match foundations and open models with your diverse datasets to innovate and differentiate your AI solutions. Customize models. You can orchestrate prompts, add retrieval, augmented generation, or RAG, enable distillation, and fine tune models. And then enhance with agents. Transform your applications with agent like workflows that respond to events, support reasoning, and perform autonomous tasks, and support cloud and edge deployment. Run AI apps anywhere with Azure containers and Azure Kubernetes services. And finally, secure, govern, and continuous monitor. Implement a network isolations, identity and access control, and data encryption for secure, compliant AI operations. So, in summary, with Azure AI Foundry, developers now have a powerful platform that unifies various AI tools and services, making it easier to build, deploy, and scale AI solutions in a seamless and integrated environment.